Caddisflies are benthic macroinvertebrates found in a wide variety of aquatic environments such as streams, rivers, lakes, and ponds. These insects are often used by scientists as indicators of water quality, meaning that the insects found in a stream give them a clue to the level of cleanliness of the water. In their larval phase, these insects use a sticky silk to build a protective case out of materials they find in their environment, like pebbles, sticks, grass, and leaves, with different species making different types of cases. When they're ready, the larvae go through metamorphosis, turning into winged adult caddisflies. To create a caddisfly, you'll need a few things. You'll need tissue paper, a ball of fluff or rolled up newspaper, a rubber band, tape, construction paper, pipe cleaners or twigs or sticks, maybe some googly eyes, and a marker. To create the head of the caddisfly, use a large piece of tissue paper to cover up a ball of fluff or a balled up piece of old newspaper. Then use a rubber band or a piece of tape to secure it in place. Next, secure the head to a piece of construction paper with tape. Next, add your legs by taping 6 short pieces of pipe cleaner next to the head. Now, roll the paper around the head and legs into a tube and secure it with tape. Now it's time to give your caddisfly a face. Now you can decorate your caddisfly's case any way you want.